Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how I pull an acapella from any track at all. The step-by-step process I use to pull any vocal from any track to make my remixes. So pretty much right now I'm going to show you the program that I use to actually pull the acapellas. But before I do so, please subscribe, hit the subscription button down below. Also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content, and remember to like the video and also share the video if you can. All right, so the program or the software that I actually use is Isotope RX7 audio editor. All right, I use the standard version, not actually the advanced version. So let's just dive into it. Now the track I'm going to be using is from Epidemic Sounds. It's titled On Top of the World from Cecile, I think, Lint or something like that. The reason why I use Epidemic Sounds is that, you know, basically you can use their sounds on YouTube once you pay a subscription, and you won't get flagged for copyright infringement on your videos. All right, so if you create content, or if you are going to be doing any mixes or stuff and you want some tracks to use without getting a strike, head on over to Epidemic Sounds and just actually, you know, download some tracks over there. You should be good. All right, I'm going to put a link down in the description to their website. All right, so let me just go to open. All right, go to open and then open that track right now, On Top of the World. All right, so down here where you see my mouse on the left hand side of the screen, I'm going to hit play so you can actually hear the track.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, number one, desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll.
Alright, so you actually hear all the drums, everything there. Alright, so if you was actually to remix it, you have to be a damn good producer or remixer to actually, you know, knock some instruments around that. Alright, so we're gonna actually try to pull the acapella right now. So if you go over to the right hand side, you scroll on to music rebalance, click that. Alright, once the first time you open the music rebalance, everything is going to be up at 0. You have 4 sections. You have voice, bass, percussions, and other. Yeah, you also have presets that you can actually use. Bass, boost, you know, all of these preset. Isolate vocals, gentle, you know. But I don't use the presets because I just get straightforward, because I know that I just need the vocals. I'm going to actually put some tracks down in the description that I pulled the vocals from and perform some remixes. I once used this to pull a Cardi B track, the instruments from the track. So I actually removed the voice, okay? And I also put that down in the description so you could actually hear. It wasn't 100%, but it was workable. All right, so basically to remove the voice, I pull the bass down, the percussion down, I pull all the other down. So and then I leave the voice at 0. All right. So let's actually hear what Isotope actually has done to it. You could play with this sensitivity. All right. I'd probably like to leave it around 7. Okay, so let's actually hear what Isotope has done to give us our vocals. Let's go.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, number one, desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, number one, desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got patience, bro, I don't care about no gold.
Wow. I wouldn't say it's 100%. I'd probably give it an 80 or a 90. But actually, what the software has done, you can actually just perform. You just put this in Ableton or whatever DAW you use, and just put some instruments around it, and have something to play on your DJ sets. You know what I mean? So that's pretty much how I do it. All right. So then after that, I just hit render that out. All right. So it says run music balance. All right. So right now it's rendered. So let's just preview what let's just play it to hear what it sounds like again.
I got conscious roll on my true collectible. Famous number one desirable.
As I said before, you can go in and mess around and take away other sounds that's there. This software is very powerful. You could create wonders with it. And so the next step I'll do is just go to file and export. And you have many different file formats. You have WAV, AIFF, FLAC, OGG, MP3. You could change your bit rates and stuff. All right. And then you just export to wherever you want it on your computer, and that's it. That's pretty much it. That's how I pull my acapellas, people. All right. So invest in this software. You won't lose. Invest in this software. All right. Do some research on it if you want. And I'm pretty much curious, if you have another software out there that you use, please put it down in the comments. All right. If this video was helpful to you, just remember, like and share. Also hit the subscription button and the notification bell. All right. So that's how I pull my acapellas, people. That's how I pull it. Make my dancehall remixes. Okay. All right. Until then, Martin does. Next time, next video. Until then, I'm out. See you.